Good morning to Didi's channel. I'm going to cook now spaghetti and shrimp. I put some olive oil. And then where is my flat one? I don't want this. Oh, good. Garlic. I think more. Garlic here. Make my... Okay, I'm watching down. Oh, very slow fire ko. And onions supposed to be shallots. Shallots is like red onions na maliliit. And shrimp. Turn pink para it's not going to be dry. Make this one now cook. I add some peppers. Supposed to be fresh ground pepper. I think this is much. This much. That's it. Tama na yan. Ganyan. Agoy! Okay. And mix it. Put some lemon zest with olive oil. And then squeeze half of the lemon. And that's the finished product. You can add some parsley to make it pretty, colorful. And thank you for watching my video. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.